Hello lovelies. Apply 2 coats of Flomar nail polish number FC26. Draw the balloon outline with the acrylic color and a painting brush with the size 0 or 000. Shade names are given in the description box. Take the colors using a flat nail art brush. Be quick enough as the normal polish dries off soon. Draw the outline with white acrylic color. You can even use the nail polish, but it is easier to draw with the acrylic color. If you don't have 0 size brush, you can use the brush with the narrow tip like the one I have used here. The blue color used is acrylic paint. Again, the blue color used here is the acrylic color. These are nail vinyls. You can even use the sellotape. Cut the sellotape in the required shape and just stick it on your nail. Remove the vinyl before the nail polish dries off. Apply 2 coats of nail polish. I have used nail polish to draw the smaller lines, but you can use acrylic colors as well. Finally, use a top coat to cover all your designs.